Hello folks and welcome to this week's Hi-Fi News etc. I hope you're well, I hope you're enjoying yourself and doing all those things you like to do over the weekend, including watching my videos. Hey, I have some Hi-Fi news for you. I know you'll be shocked to hear that, but yes. And in addition to that, before we get into those shenanigans, trivia. Right, this one, well, this one is really aimed at Beatles geeks. Those people who think they know everything about the Beatles. Well, here's a bit of a wrinkle for you. This is a John Lennon orientated question, and it is: John Lennon smoked which brand of French cigarette in the hope, he liked to say, of making his voice deeper? One more time. John Lennon smoked which brand of French cigarette in the hope, he liked to say, of making his voice deeper? And I should have mentioned that we are still in the French theme, of course. Before I carry on with the news, please don't do any Googling or AI shenanigans or any sort of research. This is just a bit of fun. Have a little think and I will give you the answer to this question at the end of the video. And as your fellow viewers have also requested, please don't place the answer in the comments, because a fair few people have said it spoils things. So keep the tension going, folks. I will see you at the end of the video with the answer. Until then, Hi-Fi News. First up, we've got that rather expensive brand Nagra, and we have something called the compact player. This is a network box. It takes the network architecture from the streaming transport. They have really imaginative names, do Nagra. This one is called the Nagra Streamer. Well, the compact player takes a lot of gubbins from that. It adds a DAC stage, it adds a volume control to connect directly to an analog integrated amp, power amp, or active speakers. Encased within an aluminium billet, the compact player features Nagra's own clock generator and power regulation, supporting Tidal Connect, Cobus Connect, Spotify Connect, vTuner, and AirPlay 2, alongside local storage playback like UPnP, DLNA, and USB. It's compatible with mConnect, Roon, and Audiophile. Oh, and further down the line, you can upgrade the external power supply if you wish. Price for the basic model, as it were, is £5,998. I'll put a link below, as I will do with all of the stories in this video, and you can check out more information. Now, last week we had a couple of stories from iFi. Well, I've got another one. This is the Golink 2. It's a little thing. It's a portable USB DAC aimed really at, I would say, smartphones, laptops, that kind of thing. It's priced at £59 or $59 or €69. The Golink 2 apparently supports up to 32-bit 384 PCM and native DSD256 from any USB source. Apparently iFi's smallest DAC ever, this little gizmo features an ESS Sabre DAC with dynamic range enhancement, and according to the company, up to 62% lower distortion versus the previous model, the Golink 1. It's also the first Golink model compatible with iFi's Nexus Android app, enabling OTA updates and selectable digital filters. Some news from Orchard Audio now, who's announced a new rolling input buffer upgrade for the Starkrimson Mono Premium and Starkrimson 25 Mono Premium amplifiers. The new upgrade adds a dedicated input buffer board equipped with a DIP-8 socket, which means you can do a bit of op-amp rolling. This gives you the ability to fine-tune the amplifier's sonic character, system synergy, and gain structure with any compatible dual DIP-8 op-amp. The normal upgrade cost is $600, but if you want to get in early, you can upgrade 2 amplifiers for $500 during the introductory period. Customers simply send in their units for installation and testing. Next up, we have Harmony HiFi, which has told me it's now distributing Pylon audio. And yes, that's a bit of industry news, I suppose, but it gives me the excuse to show you hi-fi you might not normally get to see. In this case, speakers from Pylon Audio off the back of this Harmony HiFi distribution, who've announced the exclusive distribution of the same in the UK. The Pylon audio ranges for this entire deal include the so-called Opal, Diamond, Jade, and Jasper. There's a bit of a theme there, isn't there? The Opal models offer both bookshelf and floor standing formats. The Diamond range offers multiple models tailored to different room sizes. The Jade series is a high-performance design, and Jasper is the flagship series. Again, if you want to know more, I'll put an email address down below, and then you can have a direct chat with the guys. Finally, we have some news from Leak, and they have a TruStream network player, spelt in a slightly unique manner. I'll put that down below so you can see what I mean. And this packs a streaming and Sabre DAC architecture inside a walnut veneered enclosure, plus dual band Wi-Fi and gigabit Ethernet for network streaming, plus a USB-C input, 2 USB-A ports alongside optical and coax outputs. Balanced XLR and single-ended RCA outputs are included, plus a built-in headphone amplifier too. The streaming engine, as it were, has been supplied by Silent Angel. There's an app which you can use to control all of that. The power for this engine is provided by the ARM Cortex-A72 and Cortex-A53 multi-core CPUs. There's also certified Rune Ready included, and the unit benefits from using a low-noise toroidal transformer by Noratel. Price for this box is £999. And that, folks, is the end of this video. Thank you for staying to the end of it. And before I let you go, let's have a little listen to the answer to the trivia question. And the question one more time is, John Lennon smoked which brand of French cigarette in the hope, he liked to say, of making his voice deeper? And the answer is, or was, Gitane. I think you pronounce it Gitane. In 2017, German police were able to return Lennon's cigarette case containing Gitane to Yoko Ono after recovering it from a thief. Apparently, Gitane were first developed before the First World War by the state-owned tobacco company and were packaged to reflect traditional patriotic values. In 2018, the brand was at the centre of a proposal to ban them on the grounds that they were still seen by young people as the essence of cool. So now you know. A bit of a tangent on the explanation, but as I say, now you know. Anyway, thank you very much for staying to the end of this particular video. I'm going to put some links, as I say, down below for all of the products mentioned in this video, and I will put links for my own stuff, including my Facebook group and my website, and also, what else? On my Patreon page, which funds this channel. Can you have a little think and consider supporting me on Patreon? I do have early access over on Patreon, so all my videos are posted there first, and there's a gap, and then they're posted here. And there's some exclusives over there as well. Now, if you're into hi-fi, and if you've just watched this video, I guess you are, then you may be interested to hear that tomorrow I will be back with a new video, a review on a pair of speakers, stand mounts. It'll be great to have your company then. Until then, folks, bye-bye for now.